Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get Black Ops 7 Beta. First, you want to search for Black Ops 7 Beta, then you want to scroll down till you find here Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Beta, then you want to go and click on pre-order Black Ops 7. Then after that, you will have to choose the platform. So simply, I will go and select any one platform, then click on pre-order. Let's say that I have chosen PlayStation, and of course you want to sign in using your PlayStation account, and you will get your code and be able to play and try the game for free. And you should know that this feature is limited, so the beta will be closed soon. Now, if you are on your PlayStation already, you just have to go and search for Black Ops 7. Then you want to go and click on these three dots. And now you want to search for Black Ops 7 Beta. Once you search for it, you'll have to choose which version do you want it. Then you want to click on the PlayStation 5 version. And now when you open the game, here you will find out that you have the game just like so. You can simply play it and try it for free. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.